All right, good morning, everybody, and happy Friday to us all. Grand rising to us. I am live to see who's on, and I wanted to come on here and talk to you about my new membership. It's upgraded. It is called Nourished in the Kitchen. And I want to show you something here. Recipe books. Who has tons of recipe books but doesn't know how to use them? If you're a woman and you're navigating through hormones and digestion and you're all over the place and you're trying to figure it out, but you want to use food first, this is for you. In Nourished in the Kitchen, we are claiming our space. We are revitalizing our energy. We are going back into the kitchen and cooking with confidence and cooking with an understanding that, yes, I'm in a new transition of life, but that doesn't mean that I'm failing. I need to absorb what's happening to me and do it in a easy, vibrant way. And so Nourish in the Kitchen is all about you and helping you to thrive continuously in your new transition when it comes to perimenopause and menopause, but also in an atmosphere where it's still involving your family, meaning you don't have to cook separate meals, because day by day we have to remember that we're all humans. We all have this system of chemicals, the system of hormones. We all have digestion. We all have different organs. And so why not loop it all together? Why make separate meals? And so that's why I made this. After 12 plus years of being a holistic health provider and professional and understanding that food is medicine and really nailing that in, I'm circling back. I did this years ago and it was called Her Hormone Kitchen, and it was just focused on that. But this is a full circle focus on everything. So if this sounds like it's for you, if this resonates with you, if you've been looking to increase your meals and understand how to support your body through this, this is your membership. It's not just about cooking. It's just not about recipes. It's about community. It's about education as well. So in this membership, you'll have wonderful resources, recipe packs. You'll have education as well, so there'll be different classes. In the membership, we'll have one cooking live a month. We'll also have one class a month that is about education, so the topics will change. They are seasonal, so it'll be something about digestion and health. Heart health is what I'm focusing on this month, and it'll also be about how to support your hormones through this transition, but also feeling that femininity, that energy, and that power, and understanding that you are reclaiming yourself. You are moving forward in this new state, and you can do it with ease, with comfort, and with understanding on how to support yourself better. So the membership is open today. It's live, and it's only $29, and it comes with my perimenopause nutrition guide and also your claim to come cook with me live February 27th to focus on our heart health. And that price is locked for life if you get that price today through March 13th. It is open until March 13th, and then the price will go up. But until then, if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message. If you would like to do something one-on-one, I do offer one-on-one private consultations as well. And if you are new, welcome. I'm Natasha. I am a holistic health practitioner focusing on nutrition, education, and herbs for women and business professionals who are burnt out, who want better education on how to support themselves. I believe in personalization because we are not all the same, and we're all in different phases of life. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here, and thank you for following me. And until then, continue to thrive, continue to support yourself with wonderful nourishment, and remember we're taking it one day after day after day. And it's not about perfection, it's about progress, and it's about honoring yourself, giving yourself space, giving yourself grace, and being really intuitive and listening too. So until then, send me a DM, and the membership is live. I will post all that information. But thank you for joining me. Thank you for following me. And I hope that this message hits your heart space. Until then, continue to thrive and continue to stay nourished. Bye, guys.